Hey guys, so in this video we are going to see how to make a camera to follow a player. So before that, let's make to move the player first of all before adding the camera to follow. So we are moving left and right, so we want to move forward. Okay, let's see how to do that. So in the player controller, let's add a value called private float player vertical speed. Okay, player vertical speed movement speed, whatever, and grab that value, variable value, and apply to the rigid body. Okay, let's play and see what happening. You can able to see the object it start moving, but it's very fast. Let's make my public so that we can change in the editor itself. So I'm making one. Let's just play and see. Yeah, now you can able to see that player start moving forward, I mean the plane. So next thing is, let's make to fixed update. Okay, okay, everything is perfect now. So once the player is started moving, so now the next idea is we are going to create a make a camera to move. Okay, so I'm making a little bit slower so that we can see what's happening. Okay, this is perfect, I think. Okay, it's done. So next we'll create a camera system. So go to the script and click create script called cam controller. Drag and drop the cam controller script to the camera. Okay, so open the script. So let's create a variable called public game object player target. Okay, I mean the player as target. Okay, and then we are going to have a offset. Okay, so in the update function, we are going to find the transform position. Of a player target. Okay, x is going to be 0, so because we don't want to move a camera for a x, only for y we are going to make a camera to move. So I'm going to get the data from the player where it's moving. Using that, I'm going to make a offset little bit so that camera won't get any flicker. Okay, so that's it. So z axis is going to be the same because z is not required for our 2D game. Okay, there is one error. Let's check it out. What is that? It's play operator cannot be applied float to vector. I'm sorry, it should be vector, not a vector. It should be a float. Okay, offset is going to be a float. Okay, so let's play. Before that, go to the main camera, drag and drop the player, and then offset. Okay, offset is the size of the camera. Hit play, but there is a little bit down, so we'll try to manage to make player upwards a little bit. Yeah, so 3.37 will work. Yeah, perfect now. So in this way you can able to make a camera to follow a player even if it is 3D. The same system we can able to use. So 3D 2D both will be same. I don't think it will be more difficult. So that's it. So in the next video we'll see more features. Okay, thank you and thanks for watching.